Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a tooltip visual in Power BI. So I have already created the visual. You just hover the any bar so it shows the category. So this chart is showing the subcategory wise count. So if you want to look categories, so just you hover it and it show the bikes is a category, component is a category. So now the turn is how I have created. So first we created a tooltip page. So here is the option, you just go to the format and select the canvas setting, and here we have select a tooltip. So this page is a tooltip, and then we add visual. So here I have added a card visual. The next step is again go to the page 1 and select the visual, go to the format pane and general tab and select the tooltip, and here is the option is a report view and select the page name, page 2. So that's it, your tooltip visual is ready, and thank you for watching.